So this is the question or the problem. So by continuing our session of arithmetic progression, we will find the 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. So whenever you try to solve a problem or to find a solution, you need to identify the data that is given in the problem. So here for the solution, step 1 will always be identifying the data given in the problem. Okay, so here the data that is given is the numbers are multiples of 7. So first thing is the numbers are multiples of 7, and the second data that is given in the problem is they are 3-digit numbers. Numbers have 3-digit numbers. These are the two steps that are available in the data given in the problem. Now using these two, we need to find the solution for the given problem. So the next step will be identify the least 3-digit number that is divisible or that is a multiple of 7. So we'll get it as 105. So third step, what we have done, we have identified the least 3-digit number that is the multiple of 7. So which is equal to 105. Then what you have to do, step 4. Identify the biggest or you can say last 3-digit number of 7, which will be equal to 994. So hope you followed till here. So now using these 4 steps, we'll continue with the fifth step where we use the formula for nth term in arithmetic progression. So we'll continue with an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we need to substitute the values of an, a and d, and then we'll get the value of n. So hope you followed this one. I'll explain you once again. Here in this formula we have to find the value of n. Okay, n, what is n? N is the number of 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. So here we are substituting the values. Now what are the values that we need to substitute here? We need the first term. Okay, then first we'll write the series so that it's easy for us to identify the terms that we have to substitute. Okay, so here we are writing the series of AP as 105, 112, 119 and so on till the last number will be 994 here. So here, how did you get the second term and the third term here? Yes, as we know that the numbers are the multiples of 7, it's obvious that 7 will be the common difference of the given series. So we have taken it, that is A is equal to 105 and D will be equal to 7 and an will be, that is the nth term will be 994. Okay, so this is how we have to process the solution. First we identified what is the data given, and then we have written the steps where we get the first and last term of the series, and then what is the formula that is needed to find the solution. So after identifying all the values of all the terms, now we just have to substitute the values of those terms to get the solution. So here I am substituting here directly the value of an is equal to 994, which is equal to 105 plus n, which we have to find out, and the value of D is 7. So here when you transpose 105 to, I think you know that here when you have an is equal to sign, the numbers or the equation or the numbers whatever is there on the left side of the equation is LHS and right side is RHS. And when you are transposing a number from RHS to LHS or LHS to RHS, the plus sign will become minus and the minus will become plus. So here 105, when it is transposed from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 105, which is again equal to 7 into n, 7n minus 7. So here when you are subtracting the numbers, what is the answer that you get? 889. So 889 is equal to 7n minus 7. So again, to get the value of n, that is a variable, what you have to do? This minus 7 will be transposed to LHS. So here minus 7 will become plus 7, which will be equal to 896 is equal to 7n. And when this coefficient of n is transposed to LHS, it becomes division. So you need to divide this number 896 by 7 to get the value of n, which will be equal to, hope you are following this one. So this is how you have to solve a problem. So find out what is the answer here. I am not writing the answer, you need to find out. So that number will be the number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Hope you followed. Thank you.